Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software on your Panasonic TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, open all settings, then navigate to System. In System section, open About, then go to System Update, and then let your TV check for available updates, and if it finds any, it will download and install them, and after the updates are installed, your TV should automatically restart. However, if it doesn't restart automatically, you can of course do it yourself by holding down the power button, then selecting OK, then letting your TV shut down, and then after a couple of seconds, turn it back on by pressing the power button once again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.